About to get it started, y'all. Got my turkey legs. About to go in the oven. Got my ribs. About to put in the oven because I ain't got no grill. Got my spaghetti. About to get started. I got me like cabbage. And them some coleslaw. Homemade coleslaw. Homemade coleslaw. Homemade coleslaw. Them is the baked beans. It's going in. Got my favorite best choice. You know what it is. You know, ribs. They marinated for 24 hours. They ready to go in the oven. I marinated my legs. Turkey leg. I'll show y'all what it look like when I'm doing. It's spaghetti. I ain't got no celery. I used to put celery in my spaghetti, but I ain't got no. Yeah. There go my coleslaw, y'all. See it? My mustard-based coleslaw. I use mustard and meal on my coleslaw. I'll put a recipe on it one day. Yes, that's it. It's my coleslaw, y'all. Alright, let me get to the rest of my food. Got to get cooking. Alright, y'all. Got my pig ears on. Doing some pig ears. I had like 6 of them in the freezer, so I'm gonna go on and do those. Got me some pig ears. Y'all see them? They boiling. This is the cleaning process. I'm cleaning them right now. They not cooking. They cleaning, getting all this gunk. See that gunk in the water here? Getting all this stuff out of there. Got my meat done for my spaghetti and my baked beans. I'm gonna half that out. Put half in my spaghetti, half in my baked beans. Well, just a little of my baked beans. Most of them go in the spaghetti though. Well, that is it. Just onions this time. No celery, bell pepper. Just onions. Alright. Be back. Alright, y'all. Got that spaghetti sauce made up. And here's they boiling. And for my baked beans right there. Got some ground beef back there too. You know, look how rich that sauce is. Y'all see that sauce? Yeah. Good spaghetti sauce. I'm about to turn these down a little bit and let them cook a little lower than what they is. Put them down. I'm about to add my potatoes in a minute because they halfway done. They not all the way done, but they halfway done. They're halfway done. Ooh. Got my water for my pasta, my spaghetti. And got this going, honey. Turn it up a little bit. Crank that back up. Crank that back up. Oh, this sauce so good. Sauce so good, y'all. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. Got my turkey legs almost done. My ribs almost done. Almost done. Alright. Close that back up so they can finish. Spaghetti still going. Well, spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti still going. Gotta get my beans on. Still ain't got them on. Letting these come back to a boil. About to add my potatoes. There go my potatoes. I'm gonna add these in my pig ears in just a minute. Once they get crumbed back up. Cause they tender. They just about done. I'm gonna work on my cabbage. I'm gonna do some sauteed cabbage. And we're gonna be done. Coleslaw in the refrigerator. We're gonna be done. I'll show y'all a plate when I fix it. Alright, be back. Alright, y'all. All done. Got the cabbage done. Here's the potatoes. These. Get us. Get us. Show y'all my meat. Look at them ribs. Ribs and lick it. That's Hercules. Look at that turkey leg. Look at that turkey leg. Cabbage leaves. It's gonna be done. Done. Cabbage. You don't see box. Let y'all get a little taste of it. Y'all taste it. Y'all taste. Little pig ear. Cabbage is done. All right, y'all.